Hey, all you crafty people. I am so excited to share with you another really cool Etsy shop. This is Juni Desireé. Now, I think I'm saying it correctly. She's in Australia, and it's really cool to see, everybody has got wonderful ways of doing these digital kits and things like that. And she's very into the natural nature, floral and fauna, and I just loved her kits. So I bought one myself and let her know that I was going to use it on my channel to show everybody a lovely Etsy shop share from me. And she did send me 2 more kits to show. So that was wonderful. Thank you so much, Juni. I really appreciate that. And this is Willowbound journals. And this one right here was my first love. And I think this is the one I purchased. Great prices, by the way. Okay. And she is super, super sweet to work with. Just love her. And she's got a YouTube channel, and she does all kinds of journals. She uses her kits. Sometimes she uses other papers, and she makes lots of great ephemera and everything. So for you journal makers, you would love her channel as well. This one was vintage French seed packets. So I'm going to start as I'm chatting away so that you can see these. Just lovely. Just lovely. And they have the names on them, of course, in French, of the different flowers that they are. And I just think I will have so much fun with these. Making a tag, using that as the background and building on it. Just lovely. Just lovely. So I'm excited about these. And I'm sorry I wasn't counting. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and the next set that I chose, because she did let me choose the other 2 sets. This one is vintage French invoices, bills and invoices and stuff. I will have all the information on the description box. I just could not find my piece of paper where I'd actually written out what each one exactly was named. But these are so cool. Now, you do get the 1 per page, which is fine, but it's to cut these out and just use sections of them, or to use the whole thing. That would be, if you're making a larger journal, that would be a wonderful start of a tag, and then just, build on it with all kinds of flowers and everything else. Just they're beautiful. This is 1937. 1935. So, and it's got some handwritten stuff on them. These, where somebody has done the math to figure out what it is that went wrong. And these are just lovely like this. And then you have one that's plain so that you can write your own. I just think these are just absolutely wonderful. I just have so much fun with them. I love the handwriting. This one is so cool. This is lots and lots of writing on there. I love the color. And, then all of the French words. So there are 16 different ones of these. So just super cool. Just super cool. And, I love the blank ones where you can do stuff on it yourself, to add interest. Just love it. Just love it. And this one is just a bunch of trying to figure out something, keep up with something. 48,877.25, but I don't know if what dollars that was, somes, or I don't know. I don't know much French. Parlez-vous français? Oui, très magnifique. My mom and dad could speak French. My mom could speak it better than my dad, but not fluently, but I did pick up words here and there. So, okay, and then this last one is, it's Polaroid florals or something around that. Again, in the description box, I will have the names of all 3 of these. But I just love, look how vibrant and beautiful they are. And then they're in the shape, got the little shape of the Polaroid where you can write something across the bottom. You can build on this beautifully. You know, it's just, I just love them. For upcoming spring and the journals and different things that we're going to be making, oh my goodness, yes. Even cards, beautiful for cards. Just cut this out, there's your background. And then you can place daisies and a little girl that you colored or something, and she'll just be surrounded by daisies. And you say, happy birthday or happy spring, or, oh yeah, lots and lots of great stuff. So I have let me finish this one up. And this has got, I believe it's 9 pages. And they're just gorgeous. I just love them. And they're all different colors. They'll go with anything. So that is my little find for this month. And you will see me use the French, this French stuff in the journal that I'm making right now. So super cool. Yeah, because it's all French. The papers, the journal papers, collaged rows from Dreams, etc. And then I'm going to use Juni Desireé's vintage French receipts in that journal. And Juni has on Etsy Willowbound journals. So here is that information again. Okay? All right. But I will have everything down below, guys. So you just look down below and I'll take care of you. All right, but if you go there and look these things up, if you buy anything, just let her know you heard from me. You know, that maybe you heard from me, and I would appreciate that, because then she'd know, you know, that somebody else is helping her out. I will send her a copy of the video just so she knows. But I appreciate you guys. Please go check out Juni. And like I said, she's got great prices and some really nice stuff. Just love them. Just love them. Talk to y'all later. Bye.